Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy here, the Nova Blizzard, and today I'm bringing you a vlog, short little vlog. I haven't uploaded any reporter videos in the past couple days. I've been very busy, guys. I also just bought myself a new vape on Sunday from Fat Panda. The juice that I have in there right now is Magic Mango. It is my favorite juice. Very smooth, very flavorful. Smells very good too. The one other bottle of juice I had recommended was Loopy Hoops, which is supposed to taste like Fruit Loops, and it honestly does. I've only had that juice once. I tried it once. I just refilled my vape yesterday. I put mango back in again, and mango's honestly my favorite one, guys. I also got a new bong. It has been used. It's been put into good use already. It's a little OG bong. The bowl's not on there right now because it doesn't have a screen. But yeah, I've been busy all weekend, guys. I also bought some hemp wick. This is my favorite kind of hemp wick, Beeline hemp wick. I like it personally than the raw hemp wick that's made by Raw, but it's my favorite type of hemp wick is the Beeline hemp wick. I can honestly, guys, when I got this, my homie, practically, he's been my best friend for many years. He bought himself a vape too, just like mine, but his is red. And we both fucking vaped. We pretty much hotboxed my fucking uncle's car in about 2 minutes. If you couldn't stand living here, why'd you take it, So guys, I'm very happy with my purchase. Guys, I also wanted to say, this is also, I'm going to be bringing you guys another update here in this vlog. So guys, what I also wanted to say was I'm over 100 subscribers now. So I am saying a very special thank you to all of you who are subbed to my channel. All of you guys that are subbed to me and come and see my videos and show me support and love. Thank you all for helping me get over 100 subscribers and helping me reach my very first milestone. So guys, I am going to be doing more reporter videos. I won't be posting any of those videos for the next couple of days. I am going to be very busy for the rest of this week. And next week I'm very busy too. I work a lot next week. So I don't know when I'm going to get to post an actual video, but I'm going to try and do like these vlogs for you guys. I'm going to try and post at least one video next week. I'm going to try and post as much as I can. I have some other videos. I have that mystery video too for you guys. I'm not posting it yet because I actually wanted to say it needs more work done. I want to put some more work into it because it is a milestone goal video. So guys, the next milestone is 500 subscribers is our next milestone, guys. So we gotta get to 500 subscribers is our next goal. So I am going to be starting another series. I might be getting back into Rules of Survival again. Because I haven't been playing it for a while. I did delete it off my phone, but I am going to possibly start getting back into Rules of Survival. See if I can possibly make some more videos on that. Because Reporter, I love doing the Reporter videos for you guys. It's a very fun game. It's very confusing and frustrating too, and scary. But the only problem I have with that game is when I'm using my recorder while I'm playing the game, my phone screen tends to get very hot. Like to the point where I have to literally stop filming because my fingers start to burn when I touch the screen. So it's with my app. It's with that DU Recorder app that I have and my game that I am starting on YouTube, Reporter. So those two apps are big apps, so it makes my phone overheat pretty bad. So guys, I'm still gonna do those videos for you guys because I like that game is fun. It's a challenge. I also am going to be doing another granny video in the next 2 weeks or so, or whenever I possibly can. Possibly, most likely by the end of March. Slightly into April, beginning of April, I'll be posting another granny video, part 14. Pretty sure we got unless we got it on there already, I honestly don't remember. I've been too busy with other shit, guys. But yeah, I will be having another granny upload by the end of March, possibly right in the beginning of April. and I'll be doing another reporter video for you guys. Possibly, I might possibly do one either tomorrow if I can find the time, or sometime this weekend. Next week I'm very busy, so I don't know if I'll post any videos next week. So guys, I'm gonna try my best to post as much as I can this week and as much as I can. But I will have that grounding video for you guys by end of March, or just beginning into April. I will make sure that will be on my channel for you guys, because I know I've said some things, I've made some goals that I've kind of let you guys down a couple times with, but you know, it's just, I can't help it. Sometimes I get busy at the last minute, so you know, I'm trying my best here, guys, to make the best time, trying to make all the time I can to entertain you guys. All of you who are subbed to my channel, I do everything I possibly can to make these videos for you guys, and to make all this entertainment for you guys. It entertains me, it gives me something to do as well. And it's just, it takes a lot of work because I have to edit, and then I try to get something up there for you guys at least every day. It's just I'm working on other things too, like besides the videos and all that, I got other stuff I gotta focus on. We all do. I mean, it's the adult life. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna end this vlog right away here. So today, I hope everybody is having a good, awesome, fantastic day. I sure am. I got everything I needed to do today, so I may possibly start making a reporter video. Maybe we'll see what happens. I do have to go and pick up my dog from the vet because she went in for surgery today on her ear. So guys, I will see you all later. Please remember to smash that like button, and to anybody who isn't subscribed to my channel, smash that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from the Nova Lizard. And guys, I'll see you all later. Comment down if you have any comments. Tell me how your day is going, guys, and we'll see you later. Wow.